SEO for beginners, the easiest way to build links. Links are the hardest factor to manipulate when it comes to SEO, and without them, it's almost impossible to rank at the top of Google. But before I teach you the easiest way to build links, let me break down how they work. With SEO, there are two main factors: your on-page SEO and then your off-page SEO. Your off-page SEO is essentially links. It's other websites linking to you. The more websites that link to yours, the more quote-unquote votes your site is getting, which helps you rank higher. Now, not all links are equal. Links from sites like New York Times or BBC are considered to be more authoritative and powerful than links from a random site that's just starting out. And links from well-known sites, like the ones I mentioned, are tougher to get, hence they help you more with SEO. So how do you get those links? Well, there are three ways. 1, create infographics. People love visual images that help explain what you're trying to convey. For example, here's an infographic that breaks down how fast a cheetah runs. How cool is that? It's animated, it moves, it's kind of like a GIF. That's a great way to represent information. People love linking to stuff like that. They tend to easily generate links because people love visual content that helps explain the message. And you can find a lot of these people who to help you create these infographics that are quote unquote animated and very visual on sites like Dribbble, and you can find a lot of designers to help you create them at a very affordable prices. 2, release free tools. Did you know that I bought a tool called Answer the Public? And before that, I bought a tool called Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest has roughly 25,446 unique backlinks. Answer the Public has roughly 24,390 unique backlinks. That's a lot of links. When you release a free tool, over time, people just naturally link to it. You don't got to do outreach. You don't got to hit a lot of people up. Literally, a lot of people just naturally link to it. Why? Because it's free. Now, if you release something for free that everyone else has already released for free, harder to generate links. But if you release something for free that people are usually used to paying for, really easy to generate links. You don't really have to do much other than release it on your site and just be patient. And if you can't afford to build a unique tool, use sites like Code Canyon to find a tool that's good and put it on your own website. 3, releasing tools or infographics or content isn't good enough. You have to beg for links. Not like ask, I'm talking about literally beg. In the Ubersuggest app, I want you to go to the Backlinks Opportunity Report. You can find it in the sidebar by clicking on Backlinks and then Backlinks Opportunity. In this report, put in your URL and then put in 2 or 3 competitors, ideally 3. It will show you all the people who link to your competitors, but not to you. Just think of it this way. If someone links to a handful of your competitors, but they don't link to you, it means that they don't really favor one competitor over other because they're linking to a lot of players in your space. So you want to hit them up, see what pages they're linking to your competitor sites first. And you want to hit them up and say, all right, here's similar pages on my website, and here's why they're different, and here's why mine are better, and here's why you should link to me. Email each of those sites, ask them to link to your webpage, explain again why you're providing more value than the competitors, and it'll cause you to get more links. And if your webpage isn't better than your competitors, go and adjust it. Make it better than theirs. And then send off the emails. Don't send off the emails if your pages aren't as good. And if you actually don't have any similar pages to your competitors that people are linking to, go and create them. But again, make sure that it's better than the competitors. And if you can't find the email address of these site owners, use tools like hunter.io, which will give you their email address for free. Now, if you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, tell people about it. And if you want my team to just help build links for you, check out my ad agency, NP Digital, where we help companies like yours.